Have you ever wondered how computers learn to make decisions, recognize faces, or even drive cars? It's all thanks to machine learning, a fascinating field that empowers computers to learn from data without explicit programming. At its core, machine learning is about building systems that can learn patterns and make predictions or decisions based on data, but there are different ways machines can learn. Let's explore the three main types. First up, we have supervised learning. Think of it like a student learning with a teacher. In supervised learning, our machine learning model is trained on labeled data. This means every piece of data comes with the correct answer already attached. For example, we might show the computer thousands of pictures, each clearly labeled as either cat or dog. Once trained, the model can then predict the label for new, unseen data. Show it a new picture and it can tell you if it's a cat or a dog. This is great for tasks like email spam detection, image classification, or predicting house prices. Next, let's look at unsupervised learning. This is more like a student exploring a library on their own, finding patterns without any guidance. In unsupervised learning, our data is unlabeled. The machine learning model is given raw data and told to find hidden structures, patterns, or groupings within it all by itself. There's no right or wrong answer being provided. The model's goal is to discover underlying relationships. It might group similar items together, a process called clustering, or identify anomalies. Think of customer segmentation in marketing, grouping similar news articles, or anomaly detection in cybersecurity. Finally, we have reinforcement learning. Imagine a mouse learning to navigate a maze by trial and error. In reinforcement learning, an agent learns by interacting with an environment. It takes actions and receives rewards for good actions and penalties for bad ones. Its goal is to maximize the cumulative reward over time. Through trial and error, the agent learns which actions lead to the best outcomes in different situations. This is how self-driving cars learn to navigate, robots learn complex movements, or even how AI masters challenging games like chess or Go. So, to recap, supervised learning uses labeled data with a teacher. Unsupervised learning finds patterns in unlabeled data on its own. And reinforcement learning learns through trial and error with rewards and penalties. These three approaches are the fundamental building blocks of modern AI. Hope this helped demystify the world of machine learning. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more explanations. See you next time.